So, hello and welcome to a little tutorial about the Zeniq wallet in regards to the Avinoc staking compounding, which is so powerful. So if I press on Avinoc, I can see first of all the transaction happening, the Avinocs I have bought, I have put into staking, and so on and so forth. And if I press on stake, that is a German version, so we go down on the right side, press on stake, which leads us to the staking area. And of course, it offers me to stake for a certain timeline and always go for the longest possible one, that's for sure. As long 15 years is available, go for it. As long 10 years is available, go for it, because it just gives you the biggest rewards. Now, talking about compounding, you press down below, which is saying in Germany, Belohnung beanspruchen, is like claim your rewards, the gray button. If I press there one time, it gives me first of all an overview of what happened in the certain staking contracts I made. You see the first one, it's dated April 6. That was a test of 10,000 Avinocs. It shows me I'm getting 4.8, roughly 5 Avinocs a day, which gives you also a good idea. In 15 years, 10,000 Avinocs is 5 pieces, roughly almost 5 a day. This one I already tried to claim, so you see down below that 140 token I already took out just to see how it works. Then I scroll to the right and I see the big contract I made of 250,000 Avinocs, which happened just 2 weeks back on May 3rd. It gives me roughly 121 Avinocs every single day. Guys, you need to understand 121 Avinocs no matter what the value is. As of now, you can see in these 2 weeks only, it's an earning of $575, 1,800 something Avinocs. Think about an Avinoc price of 50 cents, $1, 5, 10, way more. The number stays 120 pieces every single day for 15 years in a row. Then I made another one just today because I was just making use of this still available 15 years contract. So I purchased another 68,000 Avinoc, giving me 33 per day. Now, talking about the compounding, what I can do is I can either claim for each contract the token which I have earned, or I go in the middle, say claim all, in German it's alle beanspruchen, which takes it out from all the contracts. So in my case, I only take the big one here to make it easy, because the others I already made. So I claim these ones. Now in the background, the so-called NFTs are generated, which is super smart because it doesn't make any fees available only the moment you are going to claim, which just has happened. So that is very smart. By the way, now when I press this button, 5% value of the same is being bought and burned in Zeniq. That's the reason why the Zeniq price is also now taking off. So now this is done. I can see down below, I got my rewards, 1,963. And if I go back to my wallet, you can see once I refresh it, wait a second, here we are. It just got loaded with 1,823 Avinocs, having a value of more than $500 as of now. And always the value, the moment you stake or restake / compound, is taking into consideration for the value taken into the Safir benefit plan, in case you're a Safir customer, probably a Safir promoter, which leads you to 10, 17, 22 or way more percent just by the uni level. So now once they are back, I can press again on stake. Now you see down up there, 1,800 are available, which is the maximum. As the 15 years are still available, I choose 15 years, which makes only sense. I see by the blue box that the network bonus of 11% is activated, so the connection to Safir is properly done. And now I can just press again on stake. By the way, it shows me exactly in 15 years how much extra token I'm going to earn, which starts to be paid out the next second. So you press again on stake. Again, you see a confirmation that instead of 5.5% per year, you are getting 11%. That is the APY network bonus here. You press again on stake. I have enough Ethereum, which you always need for the gas fees. And now this staking will be placed into the smart contract. And that's the way, ladies and gentlemen, to earn anything you want. What does that mean? If you start to compound as often as possible, and it's completely up to you, you can sell, you can soon make use of the tokens even by making use of the Wu of the Avinoc system, means going on planes, going on holiday. You are always flexible. But whenever you are having, for example, more than $100 worth of Avinoc, that can be 10 token, that can be 100 token, if they are $1 each. So it's not a question of the number of token, it's a question of the value. Why? Because you always have, as of now, a little Ethereum fee to be paid for. So that's why I suggest to the team, take always, once you have $100 available, you can claim it, you can put it back in staking. And that will lead, if I go again to claim my rewards, just to see, that shows me, okay, now on this contract, I still have my almost 5 per day. On this contract, I have my 121 every single day. And you see, it's already counting up. So since I compounded, it's again 9-cent value. It's so fast. It's so incredible. Then I have the contract I made in the morning today, which is giving me the 33 Avinocs, and the brand new, which just happened, which is called the compounding, which gives me almost 1 Avinoc per day for 15 years. So keeping doing this once a week, once a month, once a quarter, depending on your value and your private, how can I say, strategies, you can end up having that number of Avinoc every single day, every month, which is equal to your goals, to your desires, to your hopes and dreams, for your residual income, for your retirement, however you like to call it. That's our compounding system. And keep in mind, whenever you compound, it will reflect in the Safir benefit plan. Think about it. This is such a no-brainer. Wishing you the best, wishing you to have as long possible to stake for 15 years, for 10 years, because the supply is limited and there will be a certain time when this product will not be available anymore. Make use of it. Have a good time. See you on one of our next open house events, and best regards, greetings from Dubai. Ciao.